If you don't understand why we use P-traps on HVAC systems, let me show you why. So this system has been running for a while. You don't see any water coming out because you have a negative pressure on the inside of the unit. It will suck back the water and prevent it from actually flowing out. Now if you plug this, I can feel a little bit of suction. I can feel water coming. You can see we have a little bit of water coming out, but then the pull of the blower motor will prevent additional water from coming out. So we'll just pull up inside and prevent it from coming out. Now if we put our P-trap back, we put our hand here, you see the water building up and it's just flowing out. And that's exactly why we use P-traps on HVAC systems. Right guys, hope you like this, hope you learned something. Happy HVACing. And if you want to learn more about troubleshooting HVAC systems, join the HVACing Skool community.